Major developments today from the White House. Former President Donald Trump is expected to make a decision within the next 2 weeks on whether the U.S. will formally step into the escalating conflict between Israel and Iran. While current President Biden has remained quiet, Trump, who's still actively influencing global policy, has been in closed-door meetings with military advisors. The White House confirmed today that discussions are focused on how best to support Israel while avoiding a full-scale global conflict. Meanwhile, the war on the ground continues to intensify. Dozens of Israeli civilians were injured in the latest barrage of missile attacks from Iran. Sources say Trump is weighing several options, from sending air defense systems to launching a targeted strike on Iran's nuclear sites. But critics warn a single misstep could trigger World War III. So what happens next? We may know within 14 days. Stay tuned and subscribe for live updates as this story develops. Hit the bell icon to stay informed.